Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. We decided to have dinner at Teppan Edo, and I apologize if I pronounced that wrong, but I looked it up and I tried my best. We did make reservations ahead of time, and I 100% recommend that you guys make advanced dining reservations. As crazy as it might sound to other people, I have never been to an actual hibachi restaurant. So this is a completely new experience for me, and of course a completely new experience for my kids. Let me just tell you, this violet sake was absolutely amazing. They automatically brought small salads for each of us at the table. We did not need to order them. We did order the edamame because my daughter is obsessed with them, and she ate the whole bowl all on her own. My boys absolutely enjoyed trying to use these chopsticks. They tried their best, and don't worry, in addition to the chopsticks, you will get a fork and a knife. If I remember correctly, one of these sauces is called Yum Yum sauce and the other is a ginger sauce.
He's like just. Oh, look at that.
You did Mickey Mouse. Okay, onion volcano, okay? Onion volcano. Or sugar volcano. Volcano time.
Look, Serafina.
He knows what he's doing.
Look at that, Zion. It's an onion volcano. 1 minute.
Japanese water.
Oh yeah, that's great. Clap it. That's cool. Woo! You missed it, Zion. Watch. Yes.
As you can tell, I left a ton of the video in here because it is about the experience, and this was probably the most fun dining experience that we did that trip. However, it was not our favorite food from the trip. So favorite experience for me, definitely not my favorite food. It was good, but it's not in my top 3. loud. It was overall a nice atmosphere. A couple of negatives were it was extremely loud. Second one was if you have a little one and they're short, they will not reach the table well at all. You can see our daughter, even with the height chair, it just wasn't tall enough. Now for dessert. Mango mousse cake, good. The green tea soft serve, I didn't like it at all. If you like matcha, you'll like this. There may have been a seaweed reference. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please take a few seconds and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video.